Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Toba decides to be a bigger person, extends the olive branch, and try to mend things between him and Usbusiso. But Usbusiso, being the spoiled brat that he is, decided to jump on his high horse and become something else that Utoba did not see. Tell Utoba how jealous Toba is of his life and how Toba wants to live his life. Nan. Toba did tell him, Uguti, all the things that you're saying are very painful. Please don't say them again. But I loved how Ukatazile called Usbusiso into order. And even though he tried to polish it lapa, but the fact Uguti he brought Sbusiso back to himself, I really appreciated it. And then Kubo Fagazile is very happy that Umsheng uyagowisha, but it does not sit well with Wanloput Ungubeko, right? Remember, if Sbusiso the way Umsheng the way agowisha ngakhona, if Ungubeko was still married to Unomusa was gonna say, "This is your dad. Let's see how best we can help." Nan. But this one, I is very happy. I vela zamungalele omunye nomunye aye ngemoto yakhe emsebenzini. Mafika emsebenzini, uDonga Kamavuso explained nicely ukuthi we need uNdumiso back to the business. We need to be a family business. Why? Because uSbusiso had told him ukuthi umkhulu is not coping, umkhulu is not well, umkhulu kanje. Will uNdumiso join the business after uDonga noNqubeko sebakhulume naye, considering ukuthi uPuselezo is saying wena make sure that you get everything and on the rocks kube eyakho. Sazobona ke lapho. But into esiyazi ukuthi uMshengu vele is not coping. Umshengu is seeing things. Umshengu nje is on another level of life. Ubona umamchunu la umamchunu angekho khona, uyama kuma rescue restaurant uyo order umele umamchunu does not appear. Kahle nje, in simple terms, Umshengu has lost touch with reality and does not want to accept ukuthi umamchunu akasekho.